My name is Amrita Shanmugam. I am a tennis player. I played in the international level. I have reached a career high ranking of 500 in the international junior circuit, and I was getting ready for a set of preparatory tournaments to reach a Grand Slam level tournament, and I was going through extremely intensive, hard training for preparing myself. And then it was a really hard session on a Monday, and I went to sleep that day, and in the morning when I got up, I couldn't really breathe or walk or talk or do anything. It was almost like I had to be in bed the whole day, and it was pretty pathetic. Like, I was fine the day before, but the next day was almost like I was paralyzed, and I couldn't practice. And after that, the situation just got worse. I went to a couple of doctors in the US, and they prescribed me a few medications, but it just, numbed away my pain. It didn't really help release the pain, and I stayed with the pain for 6 months. I had to cancel all my tournaments. My fitness level came down. My tennis, I stopped completely. So it was a really bad time during my tennis career. I came to Bahrain, and I met a group of doctors, and no one was able to provide me with a decent or satisfactory answer as to why I'm having this pain or why I'm dealing with this pain. And so my dad, he had this, he knew this friend who knew a very good doctor, and the doctor was a teacher, and I went to him, and he prescribed me to Dr Adel Alshaikh, who works at Bahrain Specialist Hospital. And I went, and he treated me with a lot of patience, with a lot of care. There was a lot of respect towards me, and he was very understanding of my situation, my pain. He asked me about all of my symptoms. He prescribed a large group of tests through which I was very clear about what was happening to me, and he explained, and he took the time and effort to make me understand what was wrong. And I was in a hopeless situation. I thought I could never play tennis again, but through the manner in which he described what had happened to me, it was almost like he was giving me back hope, to go back and do what I loved doing. He explained that it was a problem that happened to me because of how much intensive my training was, and how my age, during this age, I was not allowed to do that hard training. And he told me what I'm supposed to do and how I'm supposed to deal with this injury, and I think it was extremely beneficial to me. So after I finished, he explained all the problems that I faced and everything. More than a physical satisfaction, it was more like I had a mental comfort to go back and play. He gave me this sort of comfort, he let me know that everything is going to be fine and it's going to heal at some point. And this gave me a mental confidence to go back and do tennis and pursue tennis, and that's what I'm going to go do now. I'm flying back to US in a few days, and I'm going to start practicing and playing my tournaments, and I would really appreciate all of his help. I appreciate all that he did for me. Thank you so much, Dr. Adel Alshaikh. I appreciate everything that you did, and hopefully I will become a big star, and it'll be because of you. Thank you.